All right, I just felt called to do a message today. So this is for those aligned with planetary leaders, New Earth Collective, those that are building the New Earth. Okay. What I'm seeing here is a connection to pure source energy in the past. Okay. It's all-encompassing love. It's divine love. It's the cosmic heart. Okay. So this was activated. It was worked with. Anytime you work with a pure heart field and you connect to the heart center, you're connecting to source, okay? And the purer that connection is, the higher the frequency that connection is within your human heart space, the larger the heart field becomes, okay? So as your frequency rises, the torus expands, okay? This is what we work with through the levels of the Merkaba stabilization, Merkaba activations. The heart field also evolves with each of those elevations, graduations. Okay, so once you get to Diamond Sun Body architecture, you're working with the heart of source as your heart in its purity. Okay, most people can't hold that frequency or hold that purity within the heart space because their system literally can't handle it, and not because they're not capable of it, but because they haven't attuned their system into that yet. Okay, so for some of you guys, you're beginning to work with that resonance within the heart. Okay, you're currently going, because of that, you're going through a breakthrough. Some sort of clarity is coming in. You're also highly protected because of this heart field, because of this pure resonance with source. Okay, but this breakthrough energy is actually pushing you into a new timeline, a new reality, a new experience. Okay, and the new experience is about miracles, miracle creation, receiving miracles. So when you have a pure heart field from pure source energy, and so I'm just going into the Diamond Sun, anyone can access this miraculous energy if the heart field is pure, if your field is pure. Okay, but at that level, you start creating miracles. Your field is so crystalline, you can think a thought that's aligned with the divine, and it resonates through the heart, because what happens is the energies, the creations, the blueprints are created through the electric field, and then the magnetic field, the heart field, actually coalesces realities. So it will take the blueprint from the electric field or the Merkaba field. It will bring the energies together through the magnetic field, the plasmic field within the Diamond Sun, the plasmic energy, which is the solar logos that activates the crown and the solar plexus. It actually creates the material reality of that thought that went out, of that blueprint, etc. So those people that are working to build the new earth are actually expanding these blueprints out with their thoughts, with their frequencies, with their harmonics, and then they're magnetizing these realities into the physical realm. And then through the solar logos, they're able to build the structures, fuse the realities, fuse the material aspects through that, and create it in the 3D. So it comes through the being, anchors into the earth star, into the earth gateway, and from there it actually starts growing and building. Okay, in reality, it's a material thing, and it seems miraculous because there isn't a lot of work done. Okay, so we're looking at Dharma, we're looking at trusting the process, because there is no force here. It is a creation through the blueprint of the electric field, magnetizing of the energies in, moving through the plasmic energies to then fuse the reality. Okay, it's a really crazy process. I've been watching this and studying it for a while. Okay, so in the future, we're seeing miracles happening because people are beginning to work with this energy. And again, if you're working with the Merkana, you can still do this if your field is pure. The difference in creative abilities is scope. Okay, it's not people that have a smaller Merkaba can't create. It's just they're not creating as big of a scale as the Diamond Sun. Okay, Solar Logos hasn't moved into the field until Diamond Sun body, but you can still access and work with plasmic energy through chi energy that you generate or pull in. Okay, at a spiritual level, we're seeing a higher heart activation. This higher heart activation is, for some of you guys, could be the moving into 5D. So when you move into the 5D, the high heart actually activates. This becomes your central magnetic field instead of the lower heart, the emerald heart. The higher heart is aqua, okay, or it can be a rose gold. That's more of the 6D. 5D heart is an aqua color. And then we see the energies of star gathering, which is really interesting with the disclosure that's coming out now. We're seeing this on the earth plane, okay, soul families coming together, star families connecting with you, beginning to resonate with higher dimensional energies, entities, beings in your physical reality, okay? But the warning here is to be patient. Okay, to not demand realities show themselves immediately, not expect things to be rapid and quick. This is going to be, and this could be about disclosure. That question came up the other day. I'm not exactly sure. It could be a personal level. It could be a collective level. There's a need to be patient here. Things are going to progress step by step. You don't want to expect really rapid, fast shifts because it's just not realistic. It's not going to happen. Okay. There is also a little bit of warning here, some obstruction about doubt and fear, some negative energies coming to the surface. Through that, you're being asked to stand in your power, your potential, and your confidence of what you know spiritually to be true, okay? There's a lot of misinformation. There's a lot of things going on collectively. You could also be experiencing those at a personal level, depending on the purity of your field.